I'm trying to work here. They're all pissed off I'm on the roof working because they got their babies up here. Oh, here they come. They're all stirred up. Come on, I'm trying to fix the air conditioning. It's low on charge. I got it all ripped apart here. Oh, I'm getting attacked by these damn seagulls. And you get anywhere in here, she starts to go off. So I got the nitrogen on there with what was the, I pumped up what R10 was left, 410A. And I'll get the soap bubbles on there. I was checking over here, this is all good. I changed this micro channel out, what, last year? Now the evap's a leaker. It's about how it goes. But let's get the soapy bubbles and see how much of it's Swiss cheese or not here. Looks terrible. Alright, I've been on search and destroy all over this side. My leak detector was going off, but I needed to see it with my eyeballs, and I didn't see anything bubble on this crusty looking side. Then the leak detector was getting a big old hit right here. So I was like, all right, I wanted to check where it goes through right here, so I cut the insulation back, no big deal. No bubbles, because I gotta see the bubbles with my eyeballs, right? Checking everything, I come down here, and I heard it when I sprayed it. Hopefully I can get this for you guys. Right there on that bottom. Maybe if I could restart the camera if the light comes on. It's on the end of that return band, right on the bottom there. Oh, there it went, it bubbled. There it is, you son of a gun. Let me restart the camera, see if the light will come on. There it is. Bubbles, poop. Poopity poop, poop, poop. I'm gonna pull that coil out and fix it to get them by. I got you, sucker. All right, I cut the dryer out, it's under there. And instead of just sweating this thing out here, all that foam stuck on there, I just went ahead and cut it. I'll put a coupling in there, it's faster. Get this guy out of here. Let me put the camera down. So I got the coil over here, I'm working on it. This is the bottom of the coil. That's the top. I got it resting on that. You can see there's like a low spot in the return band there where the leak was. See where it's dark in the middle? It's almost like a dent. Like an indentation. Yeah, there's a good view of it right there. See that? And then that's where it's leaking. So I'm going to go ahead and patch that up. You can see the shape of the coil. It's a temporary repair. The drain pan looks terrible. This will get them by till we figure out what to do. The heat exchanger is rusty, but they don't use the heat on this one. The store's hot enough. But this is just from sitting there. That's just rust built up on there. It's not cracked or anything. They don't use the heat, so that's cool. But let me go get my torch and we'll get this all tidied up and see what happens. Okay, just gonna weld it up with 15%. I got a little chunk right here. We'll heat it up and just flow it. And it should take care of that. See if I get the camera over this for you guys. little bird turd on there to seal it up. So I've soldered up, got the coil remounted, pipes tied in, dryer tied in. I got the pressure on it. I'm checking all my joints with the soap bubbles. Checked our little friend down here. It's holding. I gotta turn the camera the other way for you guys. Nothing's bubbling. We're all back together there. So we'll see if it holds pressure. Make sure there's no other leaks. And then we'll get it on the vacuum pump. All right, there she is. Just started back up. It's gonna take 6 pounds, 4 ounces. I got most of it in there. We'll get the rest in here real quick. And that's how you go about repairing an evaporator coil. Back together. I got to get an 835 belt for it because the belt didn't look the greatest, and we'll see how long this repair lasts. Shit, this one air conditioner probably put my kid through college. Crazy stuff. Looks like the seagulls are at bay. Little sons of guns. All right, like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.